One center
He
first.
said it.
Yeah, ready, ma'am. Okay, yo. Next one, ma'am, yo.
Towards the left.
Towards left,
Mine or
ma'am.
yours?
Ma'am, right side. Ma'am, here. Ma'am, here, right side, ma'am. Tapsi ji.
Ma'am, yo.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Done?
Yes, sir. Could have everyone come together, please. Riaz, if you could help with microphones.
अब आपका मत करो, हमारे कैमरा पूरा खराब हो गया।
You ready?
Okay, thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, renowned for its pioneering technologies, LG Murab collaborated with designer duo Gauri and Nenika for first ever appearance at Lakme Fashion Week X FDCI. The collection, inspired by romance and sophistication, graced the runway on day 4 of Lakme Fashion Week FDCI. We have with us Mr. Anuj Ayodhyavasi, Senior Vice President and Business Head Refrigerators at LG Electronics India, the designer duo Gauri and Nenika, and their muse, the stunning, the fabulous Tapsi Pannu.
More. Thanks.
Mr. Anuj, if we could start with you. LG Electronics sort of presented its unique mood up refrigerators, which is not only vibrant and colorful with 1.7 color combination to play with, but also a perfect blend of style and innovation. If you could just talk a little bit more about that, I think we'll be very happy to know how that came about.
So, if you see, we are in an era of individual expressions, and we see individual expression and customization and personalization in each fields. You see in fashion, you see in luxury, you see happening in automobiles. So why not appliances also should be personalized for individual preferences? So that's the whole thought which was all about to launch this mode-up refrigerator, in which you see, consumers' lifestyle, what they aspire for. They're looking for customization, they're looking for personalization. Sustainability is something that is in the cards right now. You want modularity, minimalistic designing, and then you want connectivity. So this is all what you want about actually in the refrigerator right now, and we have proud to launch LG Mode-up today here at the Lakme Fashion Weeks, which gels very well with style, innovation, tech, and design actually. And this refrigerator, if you see, is a 4-door French door refrigerator, in which you have 3 panels, in which you can change almost close to 1,74,000 color combination. That has never happened in the industry. First in the industry like this. With the InstaView, if you see a long clock refrigerator, in which you can see what is inside the refrigerator. So this is something, the refrigerator, which will never go out of style. This is something which I'm very proud of, and very thankful to Gauri and Navnika for their collaboration. I think we all gel very well together in terms of the vibrancy of colors, in terms of the art, what they showcase in their fashion. I think we have gelled up very well, and many thanks to Ma'am actually. I think we have gelled up well. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Gauri, Nenika, if we could also hear from you, how did this collaboration come about and how you were able to work with LG to put this collection together on the runway today? Very interesting perspective as to how you played with the setup, etc. Tell us.
I think when LG approached us to do this show, we were really excited because we saw the refrigerator and we both were quite blown away by it, by the awesome color combinations and the vibrancy of it. And it just kind of got us very excited to do this show, and we actually picked out our colors according to a lot of the combinations we saw. And I thought it was just fun to bring fashion and design together in terms of whether it's a product or whether it's clothes, just bring that element of creativity and luxury on the runway, where no one's ever seen a fridge on a runway. No one could have ever imagined that it would have actually brought so much life to a show, which was so much fun. And of course, Taapsee was just incredible with her super elegant walk, which was so romantic, and we were so happy to have such a glamorous, beautiful person like her working for us today. Yeah, Gauri, you can speak a bit about the collection.
Yeah, so as Nenika said, we were really, really excited and happy to do this collaboration, and thank you Taapsee, thank you LG. And for us, it was very easy because when we saw the refrigerator, we saw the colors, and our brand is all about color. We love working with different vibrant color tones and mix and you know, it's not like there was like, you could see there was purple and pink and there was red, there was yellow. So the collection has that, the refrigerator has that, and it just was like a really good blend of our energies together to do this. Yeah, and of course the collection was also very, very luxurious, very romantic. That's you know, true to our brand and our brand philosophy, and that's why we had the opera music and we had all the drama, which was like with the choreography. So you know, it came together.
Very well, absolutely. And Taapsee, your vision tonight. The show literally stopped when you walked out. How does it feel to be walking in this collection by Gauri Nanika and LG, and of course to play with the other showstopper of the show today,
Yeah.
the refrigerator?
I'll take someone's mic. Thank you. Okay, good evening. When I got to know LG is coming on board, and I didn't know it was the first time, so I'm glad that they've debuted with this particular show. LG is a household name, like it's synonymous with some really good quality appliances. So when it came to joining hands with LG, I don't think there would have been a second thought in anybody's mind. And this particular refrigerator, I think it's taking AI generation, customization to the next level. It also plays music. Yeah, so I was like, it changes colors, it is playing music, it responds to my knock. It's almost like, yeah, another showstopper, another person literally like this, as I said, the AI generation. So it's quite cool actually. I hope it doesn't replace human beings soon. That's the only thing left. And Gauri and Nanika, I think I've been here, I've known about them since ever I've gotten to know about fashion, and I've worn their creations so many times at my various events and appearances. So it was no doubt in my mind when I got an opportunity to wear their creation that there's going to be some really, really fabulous creations to watch, and of course the one to wear. I just wanted to seize this opportunity because this combination is very, very rare. And yeah, I mean, I'm just glad that I got to walk for them for at least once, because I've worn their outfits so many times that I was like, okay, let me just officially be their muse for once. So yeah, so it was a very, very good opportunity for me as well, and thank you so much for such good response. And yeah, it did feel very royal and regal and like, yeah, in wearing all this. I love walking. Thank you so much.
How does it feel to be back at Lakme Fashion Week except PCI?
Yeah, I mean, every year, like when I get an opportunity, I feel like, okay, I want to channelize a different part of my personality, which I don't get to do in my films, where I play a certain character usually. Here, what happens is I get to present my own self, my personality, how I would want to approach this stage. So it helps me be there in front of you as Taapsee, not as a character. So I love doing that as well. And when you get these kind of people to make sure you look presentable, then yeah, it's icing on the cake. Thank you so much.
This has been a
Gauri Nanika, if you can tell us about the fabrics and the appliques and the embroidery.
Yeah, so the fabrics we used, there was a lot of cotton, which you saw in the colors, and of course there was velvet, which Taapsee is also wearing, and we embellished them with crystals to give a lot of the feeling of luxury and richness. And we also used some chiffons with the prints and organzas and raw silks. So yeah, it's all, yeah, there was like thread embroideries and appliques and.
What about those flowers? But they appliques or 3D?
Sorry?
But they appliques or 3D appliques?
Yeah, so we had these appliques of just floral embroidery with thread work and some sequin work, and we also had a lot of crystal embroidery, but it was all very subtle and very feminine and timeless. And yeah, so Gauri and I love timeless femininity, yeah, more than anything else.
Well, this has been a stellar showcase. Congratulations to LG Mood-Up for their debut at Lakme Fashion Week except TCI, Gauri Nanika for a very successful collection launch, and Taapsee for looking so beautiful, and the appreciation and the love that you're getting. We hope to see all of you back at Lakme Fashion Week FTCI. We'll just do a quick round of pictures again and a couple of bites. Thank you so much.
Yeah, just look. Yeah, ma'am. So yeah.
Ma'am, on your left.
If I could also request you to
Move a little left.
move a little bit towards the refrigerator and have another showstopper join
Another
us.
showstopper who cannot move. as of now. Next thing you know, it has wheels also.
Yeah, ma'am, ready here? Here, ma'am, here. So here.
That's fine.
So here, ma'am, here. Ma'am, here. On your left. I'm here.
Thank you.
Hi. Hi. Yes.
मैम आज की अगर रैम्प वॉक की हम बात करें सबसे ज़्यादा खास बात आपको क्या लगी आज की रैम्प वॉक?
I think for any public figure, it's very important कि आप किन के साथ associate कर रहे हो. So मेरे लिए the combination of having LG and Gauri Nanika was like a very high quality combination to be seen with. So I think I'm just very happy that these are the names that got together for this particular show, and I got an opportunity to work for it. I think the combination of these names, I think, was the highlight for me.
Tell us something more about your outfit.
But that Gauri and Nanika will be able to tell. I'm just very happy I'm wearing it.
What is your fashion philosophy?
I think I love this. I love the entire collection. The fact that it makes you, it's very romantic and very feminine with a lot of boldness added to it. I think all these three combined together is something that I identify with when I love to walk the red carpet or do any kind of a big grand appearance. These are the kind of looks that I would love to sport.
तापसी जी 2008 में आप मिस इंडिया के लिए वॉक किए
हाँ।
और फिर 10 साल से ज़्यादा हो गया
जी।
अभी लैक्मे फैशन के लिए वॉक करना
हाँ।
इन पूरे साल में क्या कुछ आपको चेंजेस लगा इन फैशन
मेरे वॉक में चेंजेस लगा मुझे बहुत सारा उस टाइम पे जब आई वाज वॉकिंग आई डोंट थिंक इट वाज रियली वर्थ कॉलिंग अ ग्रेट वॉक नाउ थैंकफुली पीपल आर नॉट जजिंग माई वॉक एज अ मॉडल बट एज एन एक्टर सो आई एम ग्लैड दैट आई एम नॉट बीइंग जज एज अ मॉडल बिकॉज आई थिंक दैट जॉब इज ऑल्सो वेरी हार्ड सो आई एम जस्ट ग्लैड पीपल आर नॉट जजिंग मी एज अ मॉडल एनी मोर
एंड इन फैशन
And in fashion changes every few years, just like how films change, the kind of audience choices change, fashion also changes.
एंड तापसी व्हाट इज योर फैशन स्टेटमेंट
Right now, just see what I'm wearing, this is my statement.
तापसी आफ्टर द सक्सेस ऑफ डंकी एक बड़ा प्रोजेक्ट आने वाला है उसके बारे में क्या कुछ कहना चाहोगे?
questions.
अभी हम बताते हैं मैं प्रमोशन करने आऊँगी पिक्चर की तब बात
Thank
करते
you
हैं
so much.
Thank you. Me? Like it has inspired me to reach out to Gauri and Nanika and ask them to make some things for me as well next time I walk the red carpet. That is what I've been inspired to go and request them to do that after I've seen their collection today. It's beautiful.
It's our honor. Really.
Gauri Nanika how much time did it take you to create this
Oh gosh, yeah, I think that these collections take time to create because there's a lot of thought that goes into it, R&D, and you're developing. But yeah, I mean, fashion shows are always done under intense pressure with very short timelines as well. So generally, I think that about a month goes into all our show preparations. Yeah.
तापसी एक वीडियो विजुअल यहाँ पे कर लेंगे
सोलो चलो
सोलो विजुअल
One last time knock now.
I've done it enough number of times. You always miss it.
से भाई जा
मोबाइल मैम ये मैम ये सो so you मैम you आपका पूरा so you
मैम ये राइट साइड मैम
so you
यहाँ पे मैम
so मैम here
Hi, Gauri, Nanika, please also join.
Come girls. Mine are straighter today.
yeah मैम you
I think it'll be very nice.
Closer to the
Just
solo
around.
मैम
We'll do the solo one second. We'll do the solo as well.
Okay, first you want us to do this
Yeah, I mean, let's do this.
one at a time. Okay?
ये मैम
Holding it up.